I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself locked out of your Cricket Wireless account, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you regain access. Step 1. Visit the Cricket Wireless website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your information. Input the required information such as your phone number or email address associated with the account. This helps Cricket identify your account. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email or SMS for a recovery link or code. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the recovery link, create a new password that meets the security requirements. Make sure it is something you can remember but hard for others to guess. If you don't receive the recovery email, check your spam folder or ensure that you entered the correct email address. Good luck, and I hope you be back in your account soon.